Hey everyone, Luke here, and welcome back to Alternate Bricks. Today I'm going to be showing you how to convert your AT-AT into an AT-ACT from Rogue One. In order to do this, we're going to need a few extra pieces, as the original set does not come with any orange pieces or the transparent red pieces. So the main differences on the AT-ACT walker when compared to the AT-AT is that it has an orange cargo area and a redesigned cockpit. So to make an AT-ACT from an AT-AT, we need to do two things. The first thing we need to do is add two orange cargo areas onto the side panels. And once we've done that, all we have to do is change the shape of the head. The first part is fairly simple. All we have to do is remove pieces from the side panels. Once we've removed those pieces, we can then add the orange bricks onto the side panels. Now you don't have to use the exact same pieces that I'm using. The main goal is to just make that area orange, so you can use any parts, doesn't really matter. So just use any pieces that you have available in your collection. Obviously we have to do this on both sides. For the next phase, we need to take apart the cockpit, but we do not need to take the entire thing apart, so just leave it as I've shown in the video. So from this point on, I think the tutorial is pretty straightforward. Just make sure you pay close attention to how I've done it in the video. So if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments below what set I should do next. And there we have it. We now have an AT-ACT from Rogue One. So if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments below what set I should do next. And I will see you in my next video.